This is my 4-week training program. Fitness components targeted. This training program is designed to improve performance in boxing through targeted cardiovascular endurance, power, and muscular endurance. Cardiovascular endurance is a vital part of boxing as each round becomes more and more physically demanding, requiring a high level of cardiovascular endurance. For this reason, muscular endurance is equally as important as you need to maintain strength when keeping your hands up to protect yourself, which becomes increasingly more difficult over time. To target power, plyometrics will be used as it increases the speed and power behind each punch. Training methods. In order to target these 3 training methods, I have chosen to construct a circuit which targets cardiovascular endurance, plyometrics, and muscular endurance. In order to target muscular endurance, I will be targeting the same muscle groups continuously throughout my circuit. In order to target plyometrics, in my circuit I will be implementing exercises which target punching power as it will allow for faster and more powerful punches. Lastly, I will target cardiovascular endurance in my training program by running at 75 mHr for 5 kilometers at a medium pace. Training principles. Time. The training principles that I will be implementing are intensity and time. These principles will allow progressive overload by increasing the intensity and duration of the training and how long each session is. As my training program progresses, I will increase how long I will be running for. Doing this will increase cardiovascular endurance by increasing the intensity of the exercise. Intensity. The second training principle that I will use is intensity. I will be increasing the intensity of the circuit program 3 weeks in, as this will prevent the muscles from adapting to the current intensity. I will increase the intensity of the circuit by increasing the amount of reps, which will aid in the improvement of muscular endurance. The intensity can also be increased by progressively overloading the amount of weight, for example, increasing from 60% 1 RM to 70% 1 RM, which stands for 1 rep max. This is my program. As you can see, on Mondays for all 4 weeks, there will be cardiovascular endurance, and on the Tuesday, the circuit training, which I'll provide next. And Wednesday will also be cardiovascular, and Thursdays will be dedicated to rest, as well as Sundays. Muscular endurance and plyometrics program. This exercise, the medicine ball squats, will provide a solid stance, which will be important when maintaining stability when boxing. Clapping, and same with jumping lunges. Clapping push-ups and medicine ball chest passes, as well as burpees, are all vital plyometric exercises which will increase punching power and speed. These exercises will also increase muscular endurance as they're continuously targeting the same muscle groups. Russian twists and plank are also examples of muscular endurance, as the muscles will be put under continuous stress for long periods of time. Other considerations. In order to assure that the program is working, I will conduct tests at my current physical abilities through the use of fitness tests such as the beep test to measure cardiovascular endurance, and to test muscular endurance with the Bring Sally Up push-up challenge. Every second week, the training program will be tested using these fitness tests, such as these, in order to gauge whether the program is effective or not. If the program is not effective, then the program will be altered in order to assure positive results. 3 weeks into the training program, the frequency and length of the cardiovascular sessions will be increased to 4 days per week to increase the intensity of the run by increasing the pace of the run.